Welcome, today I am in E63 S AMG and today I will show you how you can turn on AC. So at first you have to remember to turn on your car by tapping on the start button, and after that to turn on AC you have to click right here, and next you are able to set up temperature when you press these arrows like that. And take a look here, we can set up temperature for 20, and also right here you are able to enable or disable air outlets by twisting these buttons from the right or the left. And basically that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.